Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix hotspot is not working in Samsung Galaxy A17, 37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, you're facing the issue that your hotspot isn't working. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go ahead to your settings app here, go to connections, and here go to mobile hotspot. You might see hotspot here, but if you might see that it's grayed out or unable to turn it on, or you can also turn on from your control center. So you just have to click on your control center and you will get the issue what it has. So you can see that can't use mobile hotspot while data server is on. So it's mean the very first to use the mobile hotspot you have to turn off your data server. So you just have to go back and go to data usage, go to data saver, disable this. And once you have disabled, now just scroll down control center, retry to turn on your mobile hotspot. But if you're still facing the same issue, that you have to turn off your Wi-Fi to use mobile hotspot. So let's just scroll down control center, turn on turn off your Wi-Fi from here, turn on your cellular data or your mobile data. But I recommend you one more step. You have to enable and disable your flight mode. It will make a quick refresh with your network setting, including your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, and hotspot. And once you have done, now just retry to enable your mobile hotspot from here. This time you can see that Bluetooth or hotspot is working. You just have to keep a long press on it to get hotspot settings here, and just click on this anyone settings. You can customize your setting like your name, password, your band, and here security, and much more settings. You can customize that from here and then click on save. Once you have done, click save. Now here you must see the QR code. You can easily scan this QR code from any other device to connect with your hotspot. So using these ways you can easily fix your hotspot issues. If it's still not working, just scroll down control center, click on the power icon, click on restart, and just click on restart again to have a restart with your phone. Once your phone has been restarted, your issues might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.